I have something to share with you today. It's more like a progress analysis of our daily series. If you have been watching our videos daily, you might have noticed that from 6th of this month, we have started uploading individual zodiac signs instead of compiling them all in one. By doing so, we have been able to reach and provide value to 4 times more people than we used to reach in a single compilation of all the readings. So I just wanted to share a few analytics with you today. While considering the data for both 6th and 7th of August combined, we see that the Cosmic Tarot Express series is getting an average of 450 plus views every day and roughly about 45 likes on an average per day. While that's an achievement in itself for a new channel like ours, of course it is a reason to celebrate. But at the same time, our channel analytics show that most of you who are watching our videos daily haven't subscribed to the channel yet. So if you like watching our content and haven't subscribed already, hit that red subscribe button and press the bell icon. It really motivates us to continue making more of such empowering and inspiring content for you. Now, before we start today's readings, like always, keep in mind that these are timeless readings. So regardless of the day or date that a particular reading might have been posted on our channel, if you feel called upon it or if you are being guided towards it, go ahead and check the message, as you might find a great message for you for the day ahead. Energies are always timeless, so do not hesitate to check any video that you come across on our channel anytime. Our Instagram handle is reflecting on your screens. If you're not all following us already, go ahead and click the link in the description and follow us right away. If you wish to watch the readings for any other zodiac sign, you will find all the links in the description below. Alright then, I'll see you in the reading. Welcome Aquarius, let's jump into your reading for the day. Maybe some of you are indecisive about some partnership or a marriage for some of you, a relationship proposal for some of you. You might be in that indecisive kind of mindset, but then you really know deep in your heart that this might be the best decision for you to take at the moment, because that might provide you the security that you're looking for, the kind of the stability that you might be looking for, or maybe it is related to your family. Somehow it will make your family happy in some way. It might give you that kind of stability and groundedness or kind of presence in your family for some of you, I'm hearing. So just take whatever resonates to you. But I'm seeing that you are capable of doing this, so don't worry. Whatever this decision that you might be thinking throughout the day, you're strong enough to decide what decision is best for you. So just rely upon your intuition, your guidance. I'm seeing that you are connected throughout the day with the universe, and you can just make best use of it, okay? For some of you, maybe a Leo person can be very helpful, so just take that in consideration. If you have, or otherwise, it's like, just take whatever resonates with you. I'm seeing that you are in that kind of mindset that you are very strong at the moment. You're very strong to take this decision. If you were wondering that if you will be able to, as you are indecisive, so you're being guided by universe that yes, you are strong enough to take this decision. So rely upon your strength and wisdom. Let me jump into your Archangel blessing of the day. So Archangel Michael wants you to target on your self-integrity, self-respect, okay? So whatever decision you're taking, not compromise on your basics like self-respect, okay? So this would be your affirmation for the day. Dear God and angels, thank you for helping me see myself as you see me, though through the eyes of love. Like I said, that you might not be trusting yourself at the moment just because you're so indecisive, but you're being guided. Yes, you are strong enough to do that. Whatever comes into your life, it's meant for you to grow. It's meant for you, and it's only something that you can tackle with, okay? So be assured that yes, you are capable, because here you can just affirm this throughout the day. It might add on to your blessings. Dear God and angels, thank you for helping me see myself as you see me, through the eyes of love. Thank you for honoring and respecting me. Please guide me to the to do the same of myself, and grant me the courage to speak up on my own behalf if you need to. Okay, I ask for your protection in all of my relationships so that I am surrounded by loving and kind people. I wish you all the best for your day, Aquarius. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye for now.